everybody, it's Jenny from the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I've got a fun project for you today. We're calling this Inside Out Heart, and it's a darling little wall hanging with this cute little heart on it. It's 36 by 36, a great little size to give to someone to express your love to them, or just to hang on the front of your house. I mean, it's just such a great little quilt. So to make this quilt, what you're going to need is one packet of 10-inch squares, and we have used Kona Cottons by Robert Kaufman Wildberry Palette. So it's all these pretty pinks and purples. And you're going to need some background fabric as well. Now, for this, you're going to actually just need 14 of these color ones. So 14 and 8 of these. And so, actually, this is a great scrap project because you can use any fabric you have. And it's it just comes together so quick and easy because we're using our easy half square triangles. So 2 of your sets are going to be just like this. They're going to be color and white. Then you're going to make 6 sets that are color. So you're just going to choose 2 colors that you like in here. You're going to match them together, and you're going to sew all the way around the outside. So let me show you how I do that. Let's go to the sewing machine with this, and we're just going to sew 1/4 inch all the way around the outside. So I've lined them up. I sew right off the edge, I flip it around, and I go down the other side. And you're going to do this on all 4 sides. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to cut this diagonally 2 directions. So I'm going to bring my 5 by 15 ruler, and I'm going to lay it side to side just like this. Match them on the corners. So when you're sewing around this, sometimes you might get a little pleat right there in the corner. It won't matter because we're going to cut right through it. So we're just going to cut across here like this, and we're going to cut across here like this, just like that. Now we're going to bring out our little trimmer tool. You're going to want to square your blocks, and if you're using the Clearly Perfect slotted trimmer, which is the one I love, you just leave your blocks just like this. You don't even iron them yet. You're going to lay your seam line on their seam line like this. Match them up. And even though, mine comes out a little bit, it's not perfect. It doesn't match up exactly. But as long as it's close, that's good. And then we're going to trim off these little edges. And we're going to square these to 6.5. So I'm going to do this. And I'm going to do that to all my squares. So we're literally going to square all of them. And just line up those lines. Do your little dog ears. Trim your sides. And we're going to do this to all 4 of them. And I have a bunch done over here, so let's just go ahead and iron these. And what you're going to do is you're going to decide which color is your darkest, and my purple is darker. You're going to set that seam, and you're going to roll that back. You want your darker seam to be on the darker side of your fabric. So we say we like to press to the dark side. All right. So then you're going to make a stack of these. And again, remember, you're going to have 6 that are color and color and 2 that are color and white. The color and white are done exactly the same way. You just put 2 of them together like this. Sew all the way around, cut it diagonally both directions, and trim them up to 6.5. All right. So when you're ready to put your star together, so when you're ready to put your heart together, sorry. So when you're ready to put this together, you're going to need your color and your white blocks. You're going to need your color and your color blocks. And for the center of that heart, you're going to need 6.5-inch squares, and you're going to need 6 of those. So they happen right here. There's 4 across, and then there's 2 down like this. Now all these ones where there's an angle, that's the color and the white block. And so this block out here is all the border, and then your color and whites form the shape of the heart. And so it just is really fun to put together. There'll be a diagram to show you, but basically you can follow along with the quilt behind me, and you can see how these go together. So we've got where the darks come in here, and they kind of form their own little pattern right there, and they're going to go together this way. And basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. So it makes a little wall hanging that's 36 by 36, so it's a great little size. I have another one to show you here that's done with batiks, And it's really a great little scrap project because you only need 14 colored squares and 8 of your background color, and it makes this darling little heart. So I hope you have fun with this. I hope you can bring some joy and love to someone that you know. You could put 4 of them together and make a big quilt, so there's lots of love out there. And we hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the Inside Out Heart from the Missouri Star Quilt Company.